Let me show you how to create and place t-shirt design in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, go to Type tool and type text. Now go to Rectangle tool and draw one rectangle. Change the rectangle color and adjust like this. Again, go to Type tool and write text. Adjust all layer like this. Now select this layer and convert to Smart Object. Select Rectangular Mark tool and create selection like this. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate selected area. Now go to the blending options and add color overlay and add the drop shadow. Follow these settings and then OK. Now again, go to Type tool and write text. Go to Polygon Lasso tool and make selection like this. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate selection. Now go to the blending options, add color overlay and add drop shadow. Now drag the text to second tab and adjust like this. Go to the blending options and follow these settings. Now place the second text. Go to the blending options and follow these settings and then OK. That's it. T-shirt design is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.